to be like one massive party. It's going to be awesome.
I'm about to go all in. It's been a long time coming, but I'm back in the race again.
All of that queer goodness.
It might not look pretty,
I'm absolutely blown away.
I got this in the bag. I take the keys to the city, and I'm never gonna give them back. I was made for this.
Yes.
Nobody could have predicted what happened, and I think
normal lesbian world.
yeah.
I was made for this. The view is amazing. Jackpot, smile for a second. Can't stop the moves that I'm making. Na, 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 na.
So you join me in this absolutely stunning kitchen diner.
We love you. We love you for all that you are doing for her. And we pray that the good Lord will strengthen you to bless many others.
I just got a good feeling.
Possibly though.
Everything's possible. Would I go back? Absolutely. I think it would be great fun. Whether it'll happen, I don't know. It's not, if it was up to me, I'd go and play her again. Yeah, of course.